Chloe,
Yeah.
can you say monkey?
Mama.
What is it? Say monkey.
Mama. No.
Can you say milk?
Milk.
Say yellow.
Yellow.
Can you say purple?
Purple.
Say blue. Can you say 3?
G.
Can you
Where are you going?
say... What does the puppy dog say? What does the cow say? Cow doesn't say woof woof. What does the cow say?
D.
What does the kitty cat say? What? Yeah. What does the froggy say? What does the lion say? Uh-oh. Here. Chloe, tell Mama, what does the lion say? Very good. Say milk. Yucky. Put the toothpaste on. Can you say teeth? What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
Me.
Me?
Mama.
Mama. What's your name?
Mama.
Can you say Josh?
Yes.
Can you say Aaron?
Yes.
Yeah. Chloe, can you say Aaron? Riri. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye-bye.